How to use Crunchyroll for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Crunchyroll as a beginner. So first of all, Crunchyroll offers the world's largest and ever-growing library for over 1000 anime series and movies. Crunchyroll is the latest version of our anime streaming experience, especially designed to fit the need of anime community. The homepage interface provides personalized recommendation for user and seamless navigation to specific shows, episodes, and personal watch lists, collections curated by Crunchyroll's anime experts, and more. You need to register to your account to access the Crunchyroll beta. There are multi ways to discover anime on Crunchyroll beyond the front page. Under the browser tab at the top, you will find a variety of filters to find your next favorite anime. Keep track of the series you want to watch with our watch list function. Adding a series to your wish list is as easy as navigating to its show page and then clicking the wish list button. Your wish list is just a click away from the bookmark icon in the top right corner. Crunchyroll, a feature that allows fans to create curated collections for their own to make Crunchy list. First, click your icon at the upper right hand corner and select Crunchy list. Create a new list and name it any title you like, and then you can now add your favorites series to the list from the series pages. If you're looking for new series to watch, click out this list. So this is how basically you will use Crunchyroll as a beginner. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.